Hi there, welcome to Learn English with Syal. Today is our topic is about like subject and predicate. How we can identify that what is subject in the sentence and what is predicate and the definitions of subject and predicate. So let's start our lecture. But before this one, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe and like. And if you have any problem, you can feel free to comment here. Inshallah, I will respond you in the comment box. So, what is subject? Subjects means something which is just going to do something, and predicate mean the predicate is a part of sentence which has the information regarding subject, mean what the subject is going to do. And the same thing is here, how to identify the subjects. In simple sentences, we can say the subjects mean the first word of the sentence. We can say this one is a subject. And then predicate is the part which starts from the verb. So let me start this one like how to identify these all things step by step. When we make sentence, we name person or thing and say something about that person or thing. These are the two ideas and two tips that how to identify the subject and predicates. Okay, then in other words, we must have a subject to speak about, and we must say our predicate says something about subject, that object, that about that subject. So hence every sentence has two parts. The first part is the subject, the part which names the person or thing we are speaking about, we can call this one is a subject, and the part which tells something about the subject, this is called the predicate. So here are some instances we can identify these in simple sentences, and then we step in for the further in complicated and complex sentences. So first is like a subject. So the sentence usually comes first, as we all know. Here comes the bus. So sweet are the uses of adversity. So in the imperative sentence, the subjects is left out. There is mean no subjects. As said down, here the subjects you is understood. Mean you is already we can understood that the person is talking to us. We can say that this one is a subjects in imperative sentences, because in imperative sentences we mostly start these sentences with verb to order someone, to request someone, and to just advise someone by using verb first as a thank you. Like in thank you, here to the subject you is an understood. We all know that when we are just going to order someone, going to request someone, we know our addressee, and addressee also know us. So these are the concepts of imperative sentences. So like in a positive and in negative sentences, how we can identify these all. So the first thing is like the first sentence is here, that the cackling of geese saved the room. So the identification of subject is that before verb or helping verb, all the phrase or all the things like as a subject, considered as a subjects. But with the start of helping verb, we can say this one is a predicate. So predicate starts with helping verb or with verb. For example, in the second sentence, if we see here, the boy stood on. So the boy is a subject and stood on the burning desk is a predicate. Seen in the other sentences, here is a helping verb sentence. We can say the linking verb. The Cubal can was a man of might. So this one is a subject, and this one is from the was. We can say this one is a predicate. So again, the stone walls do not make a prison. This one is a negative sentence. So we can say that the stone walls do not. These are the two parts. First part is a subject, and second part is a like predicate. So these are the some sentences we can identify these all. I will put these sentences in the descriptions, where you have to solve these all one by one to identify the subjects and predicate and practice it very well. Thank you so much for watching my video. Inshallah, we will meet soon again with a new chapter.